backing it out, you like with me. I'm backing it out. I'm just gonna back it out right there. Yeah. Guys, as you can tell, we got it running. She's running. Can y'all hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah. Is it loud? Yeah. You like that sound? Okay. Yeah, we like that sound. See, we like that sound when things are working well and fixed. We got the exhaust leaks gone, right? You know, we worked on it last night. You know, sorry we didn't get the upload last night. You know, it was somebody's bedtime, but we fixed it. Y'all can hear it. She's roaring, right? She sounds good, you know, she's okay. You know, she's all right. You know, she still got some little things we got, you know, but it's nothing major. It ain't gonna stop us going to the track, right? You wanna go to the track right now? I wish, but that's the whole point of I guess, off season, for we can fix stuff. We can get better, fix things that are found wrong with it and all that, right? So, you know, we got her out here running. I might flip the camera around and just, you know, do a little walk around of the car while she's warming up some more. So, you know, all right. Yeah, but, you know, I like the way that sounds. There's no more leaks. You know, she's firing up a little bit better. You know, it's all around what we are trying to achieve, right? With Peanuts Automotive Adventures, we're trying to achieve things. And, you know, don't never forget, if you don't know something, you got to always ask somebody. Yep. You got to always ask somebody. That's all. That's life, period. Yeah, she's running. They might not even be able to hear us in this video, so we might turn it off and talk a little bit more. But all right, let me flip this camera around. Let me see if it'll let me do it. Let's see. Yeah, flip it around. Let's see. Let's see what we got. All right, this is the walk around. She's running. Go ahead, you go that way. You can walk around. Show us off. Show it off. Hear the sound. Pointing at? Where at? Okay, okay. Come on, you walk that way. Yeah, y'all, she's dirty right now. We'll get her cleaned up. Not today though, maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow gonna be 58 degrees. So we'll clean her up. We'll get her spick and span, is what they used to say. We get a spick and span. Oh yeah. We'll go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and shut her off real quick. Shut it off real quick. Pull this power. Pull the power. That's why. Pull this power button. Here, pull it. Pull it. Right here. Yeah, pull it. Pull it. You got it? You gotta get. That's why your hair shut off. All right, guys, we got the exhaust repaired on her. Very happy with that repair. Let me flip the camera around, Peanut.
Flip the camera around?
Yeah. Guys, we are back. The repair went very well. We had to foul out the inner diameter of the seals to make them bigger to go around the actual extended flange that fits up in the pipe, and it wasn't a big deal. We did it with a Dremel tool and a sandpaper roll, the little attachment for the Dremel tool. Wasn't too bad of a job, and nice tight fit. Matter of fact, the fit was so tight I had to tap it, hammer it, you know, into place on the actual on both V-band on the actual crossover pipe. I took the crossover pipe down to make everything easier. And I had to tap it in place with a small hammer, just to small hammer, and put it right back up in there. Went with some new V-band clamps, and she's fixed. So hopefully I might tomorrow take it for a spin, because it is registered, got insurance on it. It is a street car, but I just don't drive it on the street. Because of the when I turned because of the lockers, but I done drove it out to the Dollar General or to Walmart and all that a couple of times, and she does good. She does good. But you know, what you gotta say about that repair? What you gotta say about that repair? You don't know, huh? You gotta tell us something. All right. Come on back. But again, Peanuts Automotive Adventures, there's always an adventure when it comes to us. Just like we might have to go over and repair that trailer lights so I can have some lights at night.
Yeah.
You know, we're gonna have to repair those. You know, we can't be in the dark. That's no fun.
Yes.
So, you know, I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate the text messages and the Facebook messages of support. Thank you. This is something that me and him going to continue to do. Have fun with it. Enjoy it. Enjoy the cars. Enjoy just the experience. Because one day Peanut ain't going to be this small and he ain't going to want to hang out with me. People know what I'm talking about. They know what I'm talking about. So, you know, it's all good. We're going to enjoy it. We're gonna do what we got to do to get fast, to learn. I got to teach you how to drive, don't I? I got to teach the crew chief how to drive, and the crew chief should be teaching me how to drive. Okay, guys, well, we're going to go ahead and finish up with this, and we got a couple of things to button up on the car, and we're going to talk to you guys later. There will be some more content coming out, and we'll talk to you guys in a few. All right. Thank you.